today we got some dunks dropping. Profit margins on these aren't crazy, however I do really want to test out Keith's Atom bot. It is called Gargantua. It looks like a very promising project. I'm really excited to see him doing a project like this, so I will be testing it out today. By the way, stock numbers for this shoe is very low, so I wouldn't be surprised at all if I don't get anything. However, I feel like this is an excellent drop to really test to see the potential of this bot. I'm going to be running other bots as well, but we'll see what happens during drop time.
I got one on Kylan. Oh, I got another one on Kylan. Yeah. Another one on Kylan. Never mind, duplicate order. Oh, got one on Brad. I got 5 on Kylan, like total. Got one on Kodai. Oh, I hit on Ice Piece. Alright, I actually didn't do too bad on the release. Unfortunately though, I didn't get any checkouts with Gargantua. However, from the looks of it, it did work pretty well. Unfortunately, I believe I ran into a bug where basically the vast majority of your tasks will not get through queue unless you restart the tasks. So by the time I figured that out, unfortunately it was a bit too late. Despite not getting anything, I actually really like the bot a lot because it is super duper efficient. I was running over 5,000 tasks without any issues, without any lag. Therefore, if I wasn't hit with a bug, I am almost certain that I could have gotten at least a few checkouts on that bot. So my first impressions on it are pretty good. It is still a very new bot, so I don't expect it to be perfect, but it does have a ton of potential and I'm probably going to be using it moving forward. These came in the mail recently. I believe out of this entire pile, only one of them is missing, which is at my other address. But anyways, not much to say about this shoe. Pretty clean colorway. I wouldn't say it's beautiful or it's amazing. It's just, you know, decent colors, somewhat okay material. Nothing really too special. Either way, I am happy that I got as many as I did, being that the resale prices on these aren't terrible, especially if you sell them on eBay, which is probably one of my favorite selling platforms right now. That is about it. Nothing too special about these shoes. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. We got Yeezy foam runners coming up next.